Hello and welcome to our 3D Revit training tutorial. I hope you have been able to replicate your walls as you have seen in my own 3D. You can see that I've already done my own walls around the perimeter. I want to show you how you can do the gates and the front walls because it's different from what you are going to do here. And I hope you have also been able to put the curves where need be. You can see my curves here, as it's being highlighted. So let's move into our next training video now. What we need to do now is to show you the front view of the fence. So let's go back to the natural ground level, which is the NGL. What we need to do first of all is to put the columns at the gates. So let's replicate these columns. We are going to copy it. So let's go back to 3D. To be able to copy everything you need to copy. So when you click one, you press down control, click the other one. So when you are through with that, you now go back, you now lift your hand from the control button, you go to NGL, you now go to copy, from copy, you now pick the end point here, you now take it to where you want to drop it. When you reach there, you drop it to where you are taking it to. Now we need to drop it again. So you go again, you pick it, copy, you pick it, you now pick from this point. Now you can pick from this point, you drop again at the edge of the fence here until you get what you want. If it's not what you want, you can use your forward arrow to shift it to wherever you desire. So when you're through with that, you press your cursor outside and you go to your 3D to view what you have done. You can see what we have done here now. We've been able to show you the columns where the gate will rest and the other columns where the other part of the fence to be rest. So what next now is to go back to the NGL again and now begin to do our short fence. That will be like a draft wall. So we go to the wall. You can see here, if you want to remember the name of this wall, just go and click it to show you here, wall 4. So now you need to go and pick wall 4. So let's go back to our NGL from the floor plan. You now go to wall. You see wall 4. Wall 4 is already in operation. But if it's not, you can just click this one and click any wall that you need to see, wall 1, 2, 3, and 4. So wall 4 is already in operation. So what we need to do here is to now click from this endpoint. You now go. What we need is 3 meters. So you can even specify 3 meters and press your enter. So once you are through that, press enter again, or you right click and cancel to end the command. So that's how you do that. But when you go to 3D, you see that the wall is still high. We don't want it to be as high as this. So what do? We go to the front view. You go to the front view, or you just drop it down. You just pick it like this and you just drag it down a little bit. If you are not sure of the height, you can be sure of the height. That one is not a problem. You can make sure that you get the exact height that you need. That one you can easily do that. You can see the dimensions here where you can use to get the height. If you want to get the exact height, you go to the view, you go to south. South will be showing you the front view. You can see from here that it is now in south. So how do you go about it? You will see some dimensions here. You now start lifting it up until you get to where you are going. You can see 1720 until you get to where you desire. You can see 18 now. This is exactly 18. This is 18 of your draft wall that you now put, so that you can put iron railing or iron protector to cover the rest of the fence. So this is how this fence will look like in this front view. So what next for us is to now replicate this column here. You can also go back to the 3D, or you just take it like this press your control, take it, click this one again, and now copy. Just copy from this point to the other point, showing you that the remaining up here is for you to now design your burglary or your protector, wherever, how you want it to be done. You can see now that it has been done here. So what next is for you to just design this fence. This one is up to your discretion. You can design whatever you want. You can even use sweep to make it beautiful. So we are going to do that in the next class, to design our burglary for the fence, and also design this fence so that this fence should not just be plain like this. We will do that in the next class. Thank you.